Hi everybody, this is Alex, CIU's instructional designer. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a live session with your students within Teams, within Microsoft Teams software. So once you're within your Microsoft Teams app, this is the desktop version. I highly recommend using the desktop version because it gives you more features. So once you're in there, you will see a couple of options on the left hand side. One of these options is the calendar option. So when you click there, it will pull up your calendar and it is automatically synced with your Outlook calendar. Okay. So let's say you want to schedule a live session with your students every Wednesday at let's say 12:30. Okay, since I have my opening here. So simply click here and then let's give this a title, GRC 645 Term 6 DC 25. This is the name of my course, okay? Weekly live sessions. Okay. So here you type the name of your students. So for the purpose of this screencast, I'm going to type David, Dalton, and Gina. There you go. So these are my students. Also, excuse me, you do not have to type this every single time for each week. This is only a one-time process or task, I should say. Okay. So once you type all of your students' names, make sure the date and the time is correct. So starting date is August 26th, 12:30. Okay, and I want this to last, for example, an hour, 1:30, from 12:30 to 1:30. Okay. Now here comes the most important part. By default, it's set to does not repeat, but we want this to happen every week, right? Until the end of this term. So what I'm going to do, go to this bottom option where it says custom, and then starting from today, if I count 6 weeks, the length of our terms, right? So first I have to say repeat every 1 week on a Wednesday. Okay, then I'm going to select the ending date for the term. For example, if it's September 19, that's the Sunday of week 6. Okay, so I select this date. So then at the bottom it's going to show you from what date to what date it's going to run. So once you set this up, simply save. Okay. And then you will see occurs every Wednesday starting from this date to this date. Okay, so you can type your description for the meeting. This will be our weekly live sessions for GRC 645, term 6, DC 25. Okay. So once you do that, give it a final check. Make sure your time zone is clear, and you might want to mention time zone as well. The meetings will be held in Pacific Standard Time Zone. There you go. Okay. So I have my students here. My date, my custom date from this date to this date. Okay, and then a simple information. So once you do that, once you are sure that everything is correct, simply send. Okay, so you will see your new weekly meeting here, and you will see this circle as well. It means it's a reoccurring meeting. Okay, so once you do that, it's time to put this link into your classroom as well, in case your students miss your email invite. Okay, invite for this weekly session. So what I'm going to do, it's very simple. This is a link specific for this meeting. I'm going to copy this, Control Command C. Okay, so now it's copied to my clipboard. And next item, I'm going to go to my course. For example, this is my sandbox. Imagine this is your course. and I'm going to put this in instructor information office hours and bio discussion forum. Okay, add a new discussion, GRC 645, term 6, weekly live sessions. Okay, so you can type it, type some information here. Please use the or click the link below to join our live sessions on every Wednesday, 12:30 p.m. PST. Okay, so once you do that, just paste that link and then submit. Okay, so your post is here. So when your students see your post and then click on it, okay, they're going to see this information. This is a live link. As you can see, when I hover over it, it changes colors, and it will remain active until the end of the term, which is September 19th, since we set it up in Microsoft Teams. Okay, so this is basically it. There is also a scheduling how to record your meeting option. That's very easy. That's super easy as well. So which will be covered in another screencast. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.